Hello, my name's James.
And I'm Amy. We've heard that you mini scientists want to get involved in our science experiment competition.
Magna's Big Experiment. This is your chance to be real scientists, testing ideas, collecting data and making discoveries.
You don't need a lab coat or a big rocket. All you need is a curious brain.
This year's theme is science in everyday life. So think about a question you've always wondered about the world around you.
Like, why do my socks always go missing in the wash?
Or why there's so many lumps in my hot chocolate.
Perfect. Now we've got a question, it's time to think of a hypothesis. That is a good guess that we can test.
I think it's so lumpy because someone doesn't heat the milk properly.
Don't blame me. The good thing about science is that it isn't based on opinion or guesses. We can test things using the scientific method.
Alright then, I'll prove it. Using science.
To do a good science experiment, you need to be thinking about variables.
What's a variable?
Oh, a variable is anything that you can measure or change in an experiment. And there are three important types. The variable that you measure.
That's how many lumps are left.
That's right. The variable that you can change.
That's the temperature of the milk. Hot, warm or cold.
And all the other variables you need to keep the same. If you can keep all those variables the same, you've done a fair test.
So what else could we change about our experiment?
I'm impressed. Those are all the things that I would have thought of. Now, if you can keep all of those things the same, you've done a fair test.
Brilliant. That means I've proved it.
Not quite. There is one more important step.
Let me guess. More work?
Yes, it's called repeating your experiment. If you can do the same test again and get similar results, your experiment is repeatable. And that means your results are reliable.
So you're telling me I get to make lots of hot chocolates?
Exactly. For science. And now it's your turn.
Come up with a question, test it, record your results.
And be a scientist.
Send your results to us at Magna. We can't wait to see your discoveries.
And who knows, your class might even win a trip to Magna for some more hands-on science fun. And you might even get to meet us in person.
Autographs are free, but only if you bring me some marshmallows.
Good luck, mini scientists.
Now, I'm off to do some science. Some important hot chocolate science. It's collecting data, making discoveries, and testing ideas. Why is it so I don't... So what else could we change? I really gave that everything, didn't I?
And now it's your turn.
Come up with a question, test your results.
I enjoyed it.
I enjoyed it too much. Afterwards I was like, yeah, nothing more needs to be said now.